You only go to school part of the day, right?
Yeah. But Daddy.
What?
The school's open now. Everybody's getting out of their car.
Okay, we'll go. Hey, when you get out of school, what are we going to do?
We're going to go on an adventure.
We're going to go on an adventure.
Yeah.
Do you know what kind of adventure?
Yeah.
What kind?
A shooting venture.
No, not a shooting venture. Do you want to know what kind of adventure?
Yeah.
Can you keep a secret?
Yeah.
We're going to go fishing.
Do you have some fishing poles?
I do. We're going to go, and we're going to go where we can catch big fish. What you got?
Oh.
Don't let it back in the water. Don't let it back in the water. What you got, William? All right. Okay, William. So what do we do today?
Okay, we catch fish today, and now I'm gonna eat them up.
So we've got some fillets of trout, and we are going.
Trout.
That's right. And we're going to cook them in parchment paper to make them 21-day fix approved. So my wife will eat them.
26 food.
Yeah. We don't want to fry them, is what I would normally.
Yeah, we don't want to fry them.
So I've got the oven preheating to 350. I've got some squares of parchment paper.
3 squares.
We've got William and my fish that we caught today at the trout farm.
And we're going to eat them
We
up.
have a little bit of white wine, some salt, some pepper, some olive oil. We've got some sprigs of dill, some
Sprigs of dill.
green beans, some lemon, and then some cherry tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes came out of our garden. We didn't grow the rest of the stuff. All right, so we take our square of parchment paper,
The square.
a square,
The square.
and then we take a little bit of olive oil,
olive oil. Olive oil on there.
a little bit of olive oil,
Yep.
and then we're going to lay some, what are these?
Peppers. Lay them on.
Peppers
Yeah, I'll lay
or
them.
green beans?
Greens.
Yeah, let's lay them in straight. Let's lay them in straight. Let's lay them in straight. Okay?
We got some 2 peppers.
And then we're going to take a couple of these.
A couple of these.
What are these?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Do they come out of our garden?
Yeah, let me pick some with me.
And then...
And these.
No, that's enough because we got to have enough for all of us.
I want to touch a fish. I want to touch a piece.
You want to touch a piece?
I'm gonna pick one up.
Okay. We will take us some trout.
Ew. Here, Mama. Yuck. Yuck.
Okay.
That was so not.
A little bit of olive oil. I'll put a little bit too much on there.
Okay. What's get another piece?
Not yet. A little bit of salt.
Ugh.
A little bit of pepper. Or a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Not yet.
I'm just gonna there.
Not yet, Boogie. That'll be for the next one.
Now.
Woo!
Woo. 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 Oliver.
Couple sprigs of dill.
Sprigs of dill.
And then a couple pieces of lemon.
Couple pieces of lemon.
That was one you've been eating on. We're not going to use that one. Okay? Then what we got to do, Boogie, is fold it up.
And put it in the oven.
We got to fold it up.
Yeah.
And then, oh, no, not yet. A little bit of wine. We'll pour a little bit of wine on here so that it will steam. About 1/8 of a cup
All right.
or so. A little bit more raw wine, right?
Put it in
So.
the oven.
We fold it.
Daddy, can I have one of your popsicles?
Not yet. Okay. Then we fold it some more, trying to make it where it will steam. All right, here it is, right out of the oven. We cooked it at 350 for about 25 minutes. That wine steamed it right in the bag, kind of lifted up a little bit. When you cut it open, you want to make sure for not to get burned by the steam, right? So. Look at there. Is that the green beans? You like a green beans?
That's all I'm gonna eat. Green beans.
Now, let's try a piece of fish. I'm gonna get, can I get a piece first? Can I get a piece first?
Don't.
That's flaky. And lemony. Come here.
I want to eat these.
Come here. So get back up on you. You can have all the green beans you want.
I only want this piece.
Okay, just try it.
Let me chew this up for you.
Okay. Don't sling it, it'll come off on the floor.
Play music. Play music.
Okay, play music.
Play music. Boop, boop, boop.
Now we know why we call you Boogie. Because you boogie.
Okay.
Boogie woogie. Come on.
I'm finished.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Are we going to go catch some more fish? You don't want to catch some more fish? Okay, bye-bye.